I love Willow charcoal. I do a lot of commissions with Willow charcoal. This is your impression of it. Gesture drawing is to settle your brain, is your quick impression, your intuition, and also to emphasize simple form so that it enhances your observation skills. What did they say? It improves your observation skills. They're nice because they're whimsical, all shapes and sizes, but for the ones that are a little lighter. And you can break them, which is exactly what we want for a gesture drawing. And I look exactly the same study. I look at the top, I look at the bottom, I look what's in between. So we've got, oh, I love the feeling of it. So you can push into this. Then we've got our little spout here. I'm going to come down and around. Then I've got a negative space here. And we are done. So what's different about that to our 31? We're going to go now and you will know exactly what I mean. I can circle at the top. Then at the bottom, we've got our little spout, which is a bit more like a triangle. Remember to always look for shapes. Then we come down and around. We've got a little bit more time. So we've got that nice curve on the handle. What's different? We have it seated on something here. Then I'm actually going to look in a little bit of light and shade. I'm going to darken in around the handle. And I'm going to darken in around here. And I'm going to make this a little bit stronger at the top. And done. 30 seconds with charcoal. Now 5 seconds, and we're going to use our fingers to blend. I always say about using like kind of your light one, because if you were putting on concealer, 5 seconds. Oh, I can settle into it. It feels like forever. So we've got that nice line at the top. Then we go for underneath. I feel confident already because I've already drawn this so many times. Nice circle at the bottom, coming up. Going to do that little spout. Then we've got our handle. I'm not too worried about it being the right size, the right shape entirely, but I am letting it float. Then I'm going to go for a tiny bit of detail in around there. We've got the shadow. I'm going to use my finger to blend, and then look at this. I'm now looking at where it's light and shade, which there's a lot of there. And I'm going to just use this finger to blend it up and to add in little extras and to make it a little bit more 3D. What about that? Willow charcoal in your life. Once I was teaching at camp in upstate New York, and I used coal from the fire to do this exact activity. So here we are, 45 seconds, 30 seconds, and we have 15 seconds. So what have you learned today? You have learned how to improve your observational skills because we're looking what's in front of us. We're translating it at speed. When we push speed, what do we push? We push your creativity. You're here because you want your creativity to be at its absolute best. You want to feel your most confident. So gesture drawings, get them in your life. You'll see that every single demo that I have on here has a gesture drawing to start. And then you know what else? This leads us nicely. Let's get a few tutorials with Willow charcoal. Look at how Willow charcoal is quite forgiving, right? It's forgiving, it's beautiful, it's soft, it's light, it's inviting. It's whimsical, it's intuitive, and it's lovely. Get that in your life. Get gesture drawing in every single one of your paintings. Think about me when you do it. Tag me when you do it. And subscribe so you can follow all of my tips and tricks to make you the most unintentional artist in your household.